There's a dark side to each eclipse. You can offend, so now I'm ticked. My best friend died by your hands. So now we'll ever stand. Everyone listen up, settle down. When the night falls, players have a clown. Slaughtered children experimented to kill women, kids defenseless. Kidnapped foxes, what a mess. Oh, because he felt at his best. Shut off hands and made a scene. We'll show you what they really mean. When it's to live forever, killing kids is a nightmare terror. Disrespecting our boundaries, too selfish for our worries. Help us to take 'em down. Let's leave them in the ground. Sandra don't know how. So let us get a point across.